Hillbilly Nitro, your internet knife and gun guru. Here we are, guys, back with another episode 114. Yes, here we are. So let's get to this, guys. Been waiting on this one to get here. I actually had it a few days and I've been slacking a little bit, so I've been busy. Something you guys may see coming up soon, I don't know. So I'm just keeping an eye out and just giving you a little info there. So we got the Spyderco Paramilitary 2 out here. Most awesome EDC knife in the world. So we're gonna unbox her here. So I'm wondering, what are you guys seeing out there with these new GECs dropping? This is from GPK. So we're gonna get her open and check her out. I'm sure some of you guys have already got yours since I'm a little late. Oh, we got peanuts. Peanuts, guys. Yeah, peanuts. Oh, they come out. Classified info in the box. There. Oh, look at that. Yeah, there we go, guys. Beer and sausage. You ready? Let's get to it. There's your cap there. Look at that. You know, I love a good dedicated tube there. That's cool. This is gonna be a cool one, guys. This is gonna be a cool one. At the old Hawkbill out, I haven't had it out in a while, so. Will it open? Oh, wrong side, wrong side. What am I thinking? Look at that. Guys, you're going to have to excuse the fingers. I know some of you guys jump out of your skin when you see dirt under my fingernails. Been restoring lanterns, antique lanterns. Stay tuned, you'll see some of that. So you're going to have to cut me a little slack. I may have some dirt under the fingernails. Uh-oh. That's like ching in a cash register right there. Look at that. Oh, dry fingernails and fingertips. That is a beauty right there. Look at that. You can't beat that. Just like change going into a cash register. Look at this. Uh-oh. Don't eat these, guys. Don't eat those. You ready? I'm ready. Ding! Look at that, guys. What a beauty. Look at that. Beer and sausage. Oh man, look at that. Matter of fact, look what I just happen to have in the refrigerator, just for the occasion. What do you guys think about that? I think we'll add a little Blue Moon there. So now I've heard that the springs have been a little light with some people, so we're going to see about that. Let's get to it here. We got a full table today. You ready? I'm ready. Oh yeah, that's light. That is light. Very light. Ooh. This is probably making history on the channel. That's probably the lightest knife that I have had on the channel. That is probably, got some oil on it, a 3. I don't know that I've ever had a 3 in my hands, but that pull was probably a 3. Kind of crisp, but it's light. Let's take a look around her. Look at that. It's a beauty though. Look at that. Looks like just a looks like a hot dog. I was really wanting to see what that pull felt like, because I heard that they were light. Word around the campfire. Well, let's see what the old beard comb here is. Yep. Very light. I mean, that's, won't even shut. Little spring there. Mm, 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 mm. I don't know. I was hoping they'd be a little better than that. Let's see here with the little fork. That's a little better. No, it's gonna probably close. Yeah. Mm, mm, mm. It's still a pretty cool execution there, but I don't know about that pull weight. That's that's under a 3 right there. And it's not falling open, so I guess that's good. So we'll go back around her here and we'll give you a look. I mean, man, I really hate to see this. It's not much there on the blade is better than any of them. Yeah, that's a little disheartening there, but you know, it's cool looking. And it's a beauty of a knife. I mean, the execution, I got a bug crawling on me. The execution there is just awesome. That pull weight. I don't know about that. Let's wipe her off for you. Very nice construction there, very nice. It's got a little bit of grinding feel in there. It's catching on the tang. It's kind of rubbing on the tang there and the liner. A little spring to it, but just not much. See what's rubbing there. You know, guys, I give you my experience. I mean, that's all I can give you. That's a bit of a bummer there. Let's check her little fork and bottle opener here. Wipe her off for you. Beautiful knife, just beautiful. That satin finish on those bolsters there. Great transitions. Look at that natural canvas there. Man, that's a sweetie. I think it's disheartening about the springs though. Just a great looking knife though. Look at that. I love that nice, just that spare point drop down there, nice and fat. Cut in swedge there. Satin brush finish on that blade. That just looks great. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. What do you guys think about this? Have you guys scored one? What's your springs like? Got bugs crawling on me today. Let me know what you guys think about the execution on this. I mean, the construction is just flawless on this almost. And they just nailed it. I've got a horse flying around me. Anyways, I mean, that's just a beauty of a knife there. I don't know, guys. That bummed me there. Let's see what she weighs there. 91. Give you the dimensions really quick. I'm kind of just been rambling. I've got a horsefly like trying to attack me here. There's your closed. And your open. Your cutting edge there. Oh, we're gonna have peanuts going everywhere with the wind blowing. There's your cutting edge with not touching her. I'll give you the overall length open. So that is just under 6.5 overall. What a little beauty there, guys. Man, I wish those springs were a little stiffer. I was hoping for at least a 5. But yeah, guys, that's about a 3 on the scale. Well, guys, I thank you guys for tuning in, and hopefully you guys will chop up some sausages and enjoy a beer with yours. I don't drink, so you know, just happen to have that in the refrigerator. Anyways, cheers to you guys on your new beer and sausage if you was lucky enough to score one. And before we close this video out, let's get a look over. I'll open up here. There we go. Look at that. That's cool. And you guys gonna go out camping with yours? Break her in, get some patina on that blade there. I don't know, that's a beautiful blade. I don't know if I could put some patina on that or not. Look at that. That is just a cool piece right there. Right up against the lantern there. Anyways, guys, that is the beer and sausage. Number 35. 2020. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for stopping in and hanging out with me for a while. Sub up to the channel if you're not subbed up. You can't see, you cannot watch all the awesome videos if you're not subbed up to the channel. Click that bell. You'll get the notifications as soon as I drop them. Thank you guys for tuning in. That's the beer and sausage, guys. We're out of here, guys. Peace.